Welcome back, racing fans. Today we're going to be working on the EcoBoost 2017 Mustang again, and we're going to be changing the engine cover. So here we go. Here's the stock engine cover. I mean, it kind of goes with all the other black plastic, I guess, but there's also a lot of painted stuff too in the engine bay. So we're going to be changing this. We got the JLT painted engine cover this weekend at Ford Nationals in Carlisle. So let's check it out. Alright, here it is, folks. JLT wrapped it up real good for me, so I didn't mess it up on the way home. And here it is. That ought to look pretty good on there. I think it's just looks like 4 bolts and that pops off, so should be pretty easy. Let's get to it. So it's looking like you got 2 10mm, one here and one here, and then this one and that one back there are 8mm. After you get those 4 bolts pulled out, it's just a simple bang. There it is. I think we're gonna have to clean this thing up a little bit before we put the new one back on. Gotta do that. And here it is, folks. We're all done. 2 bolts and 2 nuts. Real easy installation. I cleaned the motor real good before I put the cover back on, and we're looking good. Alright guys, that's it for today on Racing Jason TV. I hope this was interesting to you and you learned something, and we'll see you next time.
Don't act like you don't know what I came for.